Miigwech gabajayin. Thank you for coming. Miigwech. Denway maganadok. Thank you, relatives. So here we are. We got our star model, Jinamo Chuck Shinkazo. Right now, we are throwing some big shapes. Circles, connecting to circles and ovals and triangles, and just trying to fill in the body parts, the big bulky parts. Then we'll get more detailish with all the body parts. So right now, just connecting all their skinjik, oh, tawak, meanwhile tawak, Jinamo tawak. And Josh, we're drawing the Josh, and we're moving down to the cheek. No one, color in the shade there. Back to Tawak, and we're working on that head again. How do you say head again? Ndip or Stigwan, eh? And that's the back. Jinamo, and let's say back is Bakon, and there's his little footsies, eh? Zidance, his toes, and we're measuring his neck, his arm, and we're going to shade that in, his arm, his neck, and we're going to put his little ninj in there, hand, ninj, yep, and we're going to work on his eye again. Skinjik. And we're now shading in his Josh and his Stigwan, his head. And we're going to cover up, shade around his cheek in one. Cover up his mouth, his little dome. All that shadow in. Coming down to his neck, his arm. Yeah, it's a real easy process. And there we are, we're working up his neck and back to his bokon, his back, and his masad, his stomach, and back to his leg, kad, this is his leg. Cover up his back with shadow. So we got dark, and we got medium, and we got white. Those are the three shades we're going to work with today. And that's enough for me. Enjoy the rest of the video. How?